you're experiencing lag spikes while playing Call of Duty, it can be frustrating and impact your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate lag spikes. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it typically provides a more reliable signal than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up bandwidth and system resources, allowing the game to run more smoothly. Step 3. Adjust game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Reducing options like resolution, texture quality, and shadows can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 4. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers for your network adapter, which can help improve connectivity and performance. Step 5. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS if available. This feature prioritizes gaming traffic over other types of internet usage, which can help minimize lag during gameplay. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with reduced lag spikes. Enjoy your game.